Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a browser or the Gmail app and navigating to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and tap Forgot Password to start recovery. Google will ask for the last password you remember. Try one or two plausible versions. Once done, make sure your recovery phone or email is nearby because a verification code may be sent. If prompted, confirm the device you normally use. This helps Google trust the request and move the process forward quickly. Next, follow the on-screen verification prompts to prove it's you. Select a code sent to your recovery phone or email, or answer chosen security questions. Enter the code exactly as shown. If you have two-step verification, use your Authenticator app or backup codes. Make sure to check spam folders and alternate inboxes if the code doesn't appear. If Google offers a device confirmation, approve from the device, you often use so verification succeeds, and you can proceed to reset the password. Finally, create a new password that's long, unique, and easy for you to recall. Mix words and numbers rather than single characters. Once you save it, sign back into your devices and update saved passwords in apps and browsers. If Google rejects your attempts, try the account recovery form. Provide as many details as possible. If still blocked, wait 24 to 48 hours and attempt again. Network, device, or recent activity timing can affect success, so retry from a familiar device and location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.